Today we'll be creating model, view, controller and migration. We'll be using individual command to create all of model, view and migration. Then after that we'll be using a single command to create all of them in a single go. Okay, so I have created a project from scratch. This has nothing else other than the basic files required by the required for the development. So let's expand the resources and see what all views are there. Only one view is there. And what about the migration? The default migration is also created. And what about the controller? Let's see. Only one default controller, and the model also one default model. So pressing the control tilde key will open up the terminal for us. First let us create a controller. So the command to create a controller is php artisan make controller space, then the controller name appended with the text controller. So basically if you want to create a product controller, you will be using the entire text for that. So let's create a product controller. So it will be product controller. This will create up a product controller. If you notice on the left hand side, when I press enter, you can see that. So as you can see, a product controller is now created. And to make a model, we'll be using the command php artisan make model, then product product. We will not be typing product model, just product. And again, if you notice on the left hand side, we will be seeing a product model. So then a product model is created. Also to make migration, php artisan make migration, and then yes, products. So we'll be using the plural form of the model. You always remember to use the plural form for creating a migrations, not a singular form, plural form. As you can see, the default model created by Laravel itself is the user, and the migration for it is users, not users. Okay. So remember to use the plural version of the model. Then to make view, we'll be using the command php artisan make view, then the view for the view we require. So it will be product, and on the left hand side a view is created. Now how about if you want the view to be in a folder, you can type in like folder/view, and it will create a folder and then product. Like again, if I change this to say admin/product, it will create a admin folder, then the product view. The same goes for model and controller. So this is the individual command to make a model, view and controller. What about the single command? So a view we are supposed to make in a single command, so but we can use a single command to make the model, controller and migration. View we have to use the individual command. So let's create a model, controller and migration in a single command using php artisan make model, model, then the model name, that is a test model, then give a space -m and c. So here the M stands for migration and the C stands for controller. This one single command will create a model named test, and a migration named tests, and a controller named test controller. We don't have to append the text called controller. Okay, you press enter. See, a test controller, a test migration and a test model is created using a single command. Also, as you can see, the controller which we have created has nothing in it. There is another command where we can create the resources automatically. Resources like the like we request various actions to create, like index, save, edit, update, delete, all those things we don't have to create individually. We can use another command to create all those in a single go. So we'll be using the save model command, then say new test, and if you along with the M, C and R stands for resources. This will create a resources for us along with the controller. So when I press enter, as you can see, a new test controller is created. This has already all the resources created by default by using the R command, and the model and migration will be the default, but in controller we can see the resources for the controller are created using the R command. You can also use the R command in individual command also. So say if you want to make a controller, you can use the R command here. We'll be using the new product controller, and again a new product controller is created with the resources in it. So these are the methods to create a model view, controller and migration. That's it for today. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.